Hi everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to integrate Shopify with TikTok. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So integrating TikTok is super easy. All you need to do is simply head over to your search bar and search in here for TikTok, and just like that it will automatically show up. All you need to do is simply, I want to show you in App Store as well how it looks. So you can see on the top we have TikTok. Head over to that and then click on install button that is being showed in here. So just do that, and right after that you will be able to see that it is going to be asking you for a few confirmations and authentications that it is going to be requiring. Once you allow that, it is automatically going to be integrating Shopify with TikTok. So that's about it, and that's how you can easily integrate Shopify with TikTok. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.